In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HTX in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to link your HTX account directly inside Tradingview, so you can analyze charts and place trades from one clean interface. First, open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into the URL bar and hit enter. If you're not already logged in, it's a good idea to sign into your Tradingview account first, so everything saves properly, and you can access your settings later on any device. Once Tradingview has loaded, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's main advanced charting area, where you do most of your technical analysis and, importantly, where you'll connect to your broker or exchange. Go ahead and click on Supercharts. It may open in the same tab or a new one depending on your settings, but either way, you should now see a full chart with tools and menus around it. At the bottom of this charting interface, you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. This is the area where all supported brokers and exchanges are listed, and where you manage your connections. Click on Trading Panel to open it up. If it's minimized, this will expand a panel along the bottom of the screen, showing you different connection options. By default, Tradingview might show only a few recommended brokers. To see the full list, look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click on that. This step is important because HTX may not appear in the initial shortlist, but it will be visible once you expand to view all available connections. After you've clicked Show All Brokers, you'll see a search bar or a longer list of services. In the search field, type HTX. Tradingview will filter the list as you type and highlight the HTX option for you. Take a second to confirm that you're selecting the correct service, since there can be many similar names and you want to be sure you're connecting to the right exchange. When you see HTX in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will prompt you to connect or authorize. Follow the on-screen instructions here. Typically, this involves logging into your HTX account in a secure window and granting Tradingview permission to access your account for trading. Once that's done, your HTX connection should appear as active in the trading panel. From here, you're ready to place trades directly on your Tradingview charts using your HTX.